This is just an update on the switch machine programming project. We have 5 Pro drives wired into the DCC rails here, and all 5 of them are going to respond to one of 2 macros. Macro number 1 to flip them to one side, and then macro 2 to the other. Now, what's different today is that we're utilizing the lantern pins on the Pro drive. It's these little pins here. And this is a JST 2.5mm jack that's plugged into that. Normally, these pins can be set to the same address as the Pro drive, and you'll get 24 volts DC coming out of it in normal mode, normal position, and then nothing in reverse position. This is a little twist on that. You can also set CV35 on these Pro drives such that those pins will put out 24 volts on a particular accessory address. So I've set CV35 to 111 accessory address, kind of arbitrary, for all of these things. And what's happening is if I go select accessory 111 and put in 1 for normal, then we get energy out of those pins. So, another twist. Instead of just feeding an LED directly, I'm going through a single pole double throw micro switch right here. It's a little cheap micro switch. So the positive's going through a resistor, and the output from the switch is going to either one LED or the other LED. So, to make a long story short, now we have indication for both directions instead of just one arbitrary direction. So I'm going to go macro 2. It already was on macro 2. So I'm going to go macro 1. So they all flip to the other side. And just because it's fun, I'm going to go number 2 on the remote, which is talking to the relay board over there in the mini panel through the control station and so forth. And just because it's fun again, I'm going to go, oops, number 1, and then macro number 2, and then macro 1 again, and so forth. And to wrap things up, I only want these indicators on when I want them. So across the layout, generally speaking, they're going to be off. And so we select accessory 111, which already was at, enter, and press 2, which means off. Okay? Let's do this again. Select accessory 111, 1 is on, select accessory 111, 2 is off. This is a continuation of the Pro drive programming thing. Here's 5 Pro drives lined up. Damn it!